Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys know, my name is Patrice S. Jordan. I am the founder and CEO of Her Secret Vault. We are a business credit consultant company where we support entrepreneurs build their business credit either from zero to above, or if you're an entrepreneur that's familiar with business credit, we show you how to make sure that you have a strong business profile. So as you guys can see from the title of this video, today's video is our top 3 net 30 vendors for 2021. Before we jump into the video, I want to make sure that you guys understand exactly what business credit is. So business credit is a relationship between a business and the vendor. So I am a business and I build a relationship between vendors in order for me to build a strong business profile. Now, why is business credit important? Well, for one, it alleviates you on your personal side from being responsible with anything concerning your business. So in the event that something happens with your business or happens to your business, you're not held liable. So I always teach my community to never build using their social security number, always to build using your EIN. You want to eliminate yourself from litigation in the event that something happens to your business. And I'm only talking from experience when I discuss PGing businesses. Because in 2014, when I initially started my first business, I didn't know anything about business credit at all. So when I did learn about business credit, there were so many mistakes that was already made with the business that I had. So every business that I've built moving forward, I was able to build it correctly and not PG anything. So that's the beauty about business credit, being able to establish accounts with vendors that can help you grow your business. And it's always good to, buy now and pay later. Who doesn't want to do that? You can absolutely utilize the things in your vendors to, if it's toilet papers, paper towel, deodorants, everybody needs that in order for them to grow their business as well. Or not just your business, or you may need it at your home. So why not utilize your vendors in order to help you? All right. So I'm not like most business credit people on here. I like to jump straight into it. I just always like to educate my audience. So my videos are not going to be a whole long me talking about my family. No, I understand time is money, and you guys, when you click on these videos, you come on here to see the videos and move on. So let's jump straight into it. One of my very first net 30 vendors that I like as of 2021 is NAV. Why NAV? Well, they report to all 3 credit bureaus. You don't have to place orders to remind yourself every single day that you have to place this order. You have to pay your invoices. You just set up your card on NAV and they bill you out automatically every month. So you have to have at least the $39.99 package with NAV, which is the Business Boost package. And in the video, you guys can find down below all the information needed for NAV in order for you to have an account with them. Now with NAV tracks your personal and business finance. So what I tell my clients all the time, because we are not PGing anything, do not use NAV to apply for business credit cards. If you see that you are offered an opportunity on NAV, go to the actual vendor itself. So for instance, Capital One Spark Card. If NAV tells you that you qualify for Capital One Spark Card, go straight to Capital One. Because what you're most likely going to need is you're going to need a separate application for business, for non-PG in your business. But don't apply through NAV only because it's linked already to your social. So in NAV, what happens here is that they give you credit card options, loan options, if you want to find an accountant, if you need a bank account, anything that you may need to possibly grow your business, QuickBooks. If you have a dispute that you need to dispute with your business, for some reason something is incorrect, you can dispute that on NAV. So NAV is one of my favorites only because I don't have to do much at all, okay? And I'm not sure who's calling me, but I don't have to do much on NAV in order for me to build my business profile. So NAV is a pretty strong vendor that reports to all 3, okay? So The other one is creative analysis. Now with creative analysis, you can get about $10,000, well, up to $10,000 with creative analysis, providing that you meet all of their qualifications. So you have to have an active EIN number. Your business has to be established for at least 30 days. You cannot have any derogatory marks on your business. And you have to be qualified for the net 30 vendor. So that's their qualification. They have 4 particular qualifications. You must operate in the United States. Okay. So your business must be operational in the United States. You must have a business tax ID number and a DUNS number. So those come together. Business must be in the United States. You must have a business tax ID number and a business DUNS number. Your business has to be established at least 30 days in order for you to get up to $10,000. So it just all depends on creative analysis. When you fill out your information, they will give you anywhere between $1,000 to $10,000, depending on, their own risk factors of you. So that was 3. Number 4 is that you cannot have any derogatory marks on your company. And again, they give you up to $10,000. So some people may get approved for $1,000. Some may get approved for up to $10,000. But it's a great vendor because they report to all 3 credit bureaus. Anytime you have a vendor where you are able to establish business credit with them and they report to all 3 credit bureaus, that is a win-win. Because you need to establish a Paydex score, an Experience score, an Equifax score, and so on and so forth. You need to establish those scores in order for you to build a strong business profile. So once you find a vendor, such as Creative Analysis and NAV, that gives you the opportunity to report to all 3 credit bureaus, you absolutely want to jump on that. You want to jump on this opportunity. Okay, so that's the second vendor. Now, the third vendor is the Business T-Shirt Club. So they report to Dun & Bradstreet, Experian, Equifax, Credit. So this particular vendor is a good one. Okay, with this particular vendor, you can order T-shirts from them. The only thing with them is that you have to order in bulks, which is fine. To be able to establish business credit with a vendor that reports to all 3 credit bureaus, and their only requirement is that you order in bulk, I'll jump on it. I will absolutely jump on it. So the Business T-Shirt Club is another one that reports to all 3 vendors. But this one don't only report to just 3 vendors. They report to other credit bureaus that you need, credit institutes that you need to help you build a strong business profile. Now, with all 3 of these net 30 vendors, there are a down payment, or a yearly fee, except for NAV. NAV is monthly because you don't have to do much with NAV. You just put your card on file and you order, and you let monthly, you want to let your card be built, and then they will go ahead and report to all 3 credit bureaus. With the Business T-Shirt Club and Creative Analysis, there is an upfront fee for both of them. It's their yearly fees. You still can't go wrong with $69.99 and $79.99. You just can't go wrong because these vendors are reporting to all 3 credit bureaus, which is what you need in order to build a strong business profile. I cannot stress to you guys enough how important it is when you're building your business credit to build a strong business profile. If your profile is not strong, you will find that you have incidents where you keep getting declined for simple vendors like tier 2 vendors. So one particular person who is in my free credit group on Facebook that's called Your Vault, which is UR Vault, she started off at tier 1. She started to get a little frustrated in tier 2 before she found my community. So she found my community. She tried to apply for another vendor and she got declined. Now, what she did is that she set up a consultation with me to review her profile. Within 5 seconds, I was able to tell her that this is why you got declined, because your business profile is not strong enough. So 2 days later, the same day on the call, I pointed her in the right direction to the best vendor that she needed to help her building her business profile. 2 days later, this girl got approved for $20,000 from that one vendor. So the way I teach my community is not what you get approved for, is how much you get approved for. So many people are out here applying for business credit, and they may get $500 in Shell, $500 in BP, $200 in this vendor, $100 in this vendor. The difference is that I'm showing you how to build a strong business profile so you can get large amount. A win is a win regardless. A win is a win. If you get $100, it's a win. But it's better when you build a strong business profile in order for you to be able to get $10,000, $20,000, $15,000, $8,000, $7,000. Those numbers are still kind of low, but those probabilities of getting those numbers is better when you build a strong business profile. So you guys will learn to get to know me. I teach a lot about your profile. It's like having a house. You cannot build a strong foundation for your house if the bricks are not laid out properly, if the floor is not laid out properly, if the roof is not laid out properly, if the windows are not put together properly. So it's no difference when building your business profile. You have to build a strong business profile in order for you to take your business to the next level. Okay, so I want you guys to take the time out to learn your business profile, figure out what you need, the reason that you got declined. We do have many options for you guys in the links down below to help you guys. We also have a free business credit community where you guys can come in and drop a question or drop your results, and someone from our community will respond to your message. And we're always there to help. We're always there to help you guys move forward. From the business initial setup phase, from your EIN, your tax ID number, your business phone number, and making sure everything is in order, to building business credit tier by tier by tier by tier. We are an all-around company that's here to support entrepreneurs build their business credit. Okay, guys? So take the time out to learn your business profile. Your foundation has to be strong, just like a relationship. If you're in a relationship with someone, the foundation of that relationship has to be strong. Okay? It's no different than building your business credit. So please take time out to build your business profile. Your business profile is what's going to help you take your business to the next level. So as I said, guys, my name is Patrice S. Jordan. I am the founder and CEO of Her Secret Vault. You guys can find me on all platforms, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, at Her Secret Vault. You can also find my business online on Google at Her Secret Vault. And feel free, please, to join our business credit community that's called Your Vault. So it's UR Vault, where we help entrepreneurs be able to understand business profile and build a strong business profile. I'll see you guys in another video. And as a reminder, Bosses Build Business Credit.